Right, today we're looking at how AI is making our roads safer, revolutionizing sports broadcasting, and reshaping global investment strategies. Okay, first up, in a significant stride for public safety, Hawaii's transportation authorities have deployed an AI-powered road monitoring system, as detailed in our report on AI road monitoring cuts highway fatalities in Hawaii. Basically, this innovative system analyzes guardrail integrity and pothole formation in real time, utilizing dashboard camera feeds and municipal vehicle sensors to create dynamic road condition maps. Mind you, developed by Blintzy, it processes anonymized video and telematics data to identify hazards within minutes, enabling maintenance crews to prioritize high-risk zones. And, early results from similar programs, like San Jose's pothole detection, show a remarkable 40% reduction in repair response times. This represents a crucial shift from reactive to predictive maintenance, aligning with global smart city initiatives. Now, AIC's view is that while privacy concerns around mobile data collection require careful governance, this application exemplifies AI's most valuable role, preventing harm through vital infrastructure monitoring. Honestly, the real breakthrough lies in the pragmatic integration of existing data streams into municipal workflows, a template other cities should urgently adopt given rising road fatality rates. So, next, the world of sports is getting a technological upgrade, with the UFC debuting In-Fight Insights, an IBM watsonx-powered analytics platform. Our article, UFC Debuts Real-Time AI Fight Analytics Platform, explains how the system delivers live milestone notifications during broadcasts, identifying record-breaking strike sequences, winning streaks, and statistical anomalies as they happen. Actually, unlike traditional pre-fight models, this neural network processes live video feeds and historical data with unprecedented speed and depth, ensuring contextual alerts appear in broadcast graphics within 3 seconds. This development signals sports media's accelerating shift from post-event analysis to embedded AI augmentation, enhancing how commentators contextualize the action for global audiences. Well, from AIC's perspective, the true innovation here is resisting the temptation to overload broadcasts with statistics. Basically, by focusing on narratively relevant moments, UFC and IBM demonstrate how responsible AI deployment enhances rather than distract from human experiences, a lesson other industries would do well to emulate in our increasingly quantified world. Okay, finally, we turn to a significant strategic pivot in China, where leading AI companies are redirecting capital from pure software development to power grid and rare earth mineral investments. As highlighted in Chinese AI firms' pivot to power infrastructure investments, firms like Baidu and SenseTime are securing stakes in semiconductor manufacturing facilities and energy storage projects. This shift is driven by Beijing's AI Hardening directive, aiming for domestic supply chain resilience and addressing the immense energy demands of AI, with large language model training runs consuming power equivalent to 120 US households annually. Basically, this move underscores how foundational models' insatiable resource demands are reshaping investment patterns globally, with computational supremacy increasingly depending on physical rather than purely algorithmic advantages. Now, AIC's view is that while this infrastructure pivot appears economically rational, it risks entrenching AI's environmental costs rather than addressing them. To be honest, true leadership would couple such investments with aggressive renewable energy integration. Otherwise, the quest for computational dominance may inadvertently accelerate ecological strain, undermining the very progress it seeks to enable. So, from enhancing road safety and revolutionizing sports entertainment to fundamentally reshaping global investment in critical infrastructure, today's news truly showcases the pervasive and transformative power of artificial intelligence. It's clear that AI isn't just a technological advancement, it's a force driving profound societal and economic shifts. Anyway, we're excited to see what tomorrow brings in the world of AI, and we look forward to catching up with you then. This was brought to you by AIC, your expert AI consultants. Please hit like and subscribe to stay ahead of the curve with all the latest from the world of AI. See you tomorrow.